What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can exchange your RevPoints for airline miles on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on your home screen right here. So to exchange RevPoints for airline miles, you will need to go on the Revolut RevPoints tab in the bottom right corner. Once on the RevPoints tab, just scroll down until you can see the miles option on the products tab. So on the products tab, just go ahead and select miles, and this will lead you to the airline miles menu. So here you can see your RevPoints that you have accumulated so far, and also the eligible airlines, meaning the airlines that would allow you to exchange your RevPoints for flight miles. So you can also click see all to see all eligible airlines. Now these first are, I guess, most popular ones, and then you have other ones like these. So it's a fair amount of airline companies. But for this example, let's go ahead and say that I want to exchange my 500 RevPoints for 500 flight miles with Air France. So I will select my airline. Then you have a quick breakdown that one Revolut point will be exchanged for 1 mile. So just go ahead and click continue. And here you would just need to input your membership number for that airline. So for you to be able to exchange RevPoints for flight miles, you would need to be in the loyalty program of that airline company. So once you sign up to the loyalty program of an airline company, you will get your membership ID or your membership number. So once you get that number, you can input it into Revolut and then click continue. Then on the next screen, Revolut will connect your accounts and you will be able to directly exchange RevPoints for flight miles. But if you don't have an account with an airline company that you would like to use, you can just click sign up right here. And as you can see, now I'm redirected to the airline page that I selected previously. And here you can just click join and join the loyalty program. But essentially guys, that's how you exchange your RevPoints for airline miles on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.